No, you don't put it in the. Oh, you put it in the fish.
Yeah, and
Okay.
that one.
It says you put it in the fish.
Yeah, it's this.
You see?
It can die.
Yeah, you put it in the fish.
Well, we're about to continue
See,
with Mediterranean
Okay,
chicken.
you're not watching. That is cooking. Okay, let me see. Yep, it has fish on it. Good. You put in the fish.
Yeah.
Okay. You put in the chicken too.
So we have to mix all the 16 different kind of seasonings that we have, you know, to have a perfect and crispy baked chicken
There you
for the
go.
family.
Mr. Fush is cooking, teaching his little boy. Are you watching Daddy cook?
Yeah.
His little boy how to cook.
There you go. That's good enough. That's good enough. So in the process of cooking, we have what I call clean as you go. So as we are putting the chicken into the oven, we're making it clean, you know, making the kitchen to come back all clean. Okay, Charlie?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. There you go. You need your own apron next time. So you're gonna cook. Next time you're gonna cook chicken for Daddy.
Yeah, I can make it so cool.
You're gonna make it spicy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I found the spicy.
No. Oh yes. Wash my hands and you know, in order to make the cleaning task a little bit easier, you know, we have to cover.
I'm do it.
Let's cook on this with a foil paper.
There you go. All right, guys. This is just the beginning of Fortune and the boys cooking. We'll keep you all updated. So stay tuned. Don't add any more spices.
No
Don't add any more
seasoning.
spices.
You want to make it super good. Calm down, okay? Calm down.